So a couple of right angle triangle trigonometric problems coming up. So we look at our first question. We've been asked to find the size of the angle x. We've been given two sides, so it's really important that you know which two sides you've been given. You've been given the hypotenuse and the adjacent, and that connects to the cosine. So we know that cos of x will equal the adjacent over the hypotenuse, so that gives me cos x equals 5 over 8. So all I need to do is use my calculator, and I need to work my way back to the angle, so I use the cos minus 1 function, 5 divided by 8. And if you put exactly what you see here into your calculator, and you must make sure you have your brackets, then you will get the answer, but you need to round it to one decimal place. So we'll do that now. So you can see that I've inserted the answer onto the screen, so I've got to round 51.3178, and that will simply be 51.3 because of the 1 after the 3. So moving on to our next question, we're now required to find a length. We've been given, let's look what we've got. We've got an angle, and we've got the adjacent side, and we're finding the opposite side. So the formula that connects the adjacent and the opposite is the tan formula. So we've got tan of 40 degrees equals the opposite side, which is y, over the adjacent side, which is 12.5. So we simply move 12.5 from being a divider on the right hand side to becoming a multiplier on the left. And that will give me 12.5 times tan 40 degrees equals y. So I need to use my calculator to do that. So you can see I've inserted what I've done in my calculator, and again it wanted to one decimal place. Make sure you read that carefully. So we need to round that off to 10.5. So the y will equal 10.5 centimetres. And there's a nice 6 marks. Neil speaking.